Diet for good sex. Have you ever wondered why sex that is supposed to be loving and enjoyable between you and your partner turns out to be boring and disappointing because there has been no satisfaction for both? This can be either you are not doing it the right way or maybe you are on the right track, but because of your energy level, you can't keep up till a partner reaches his or her orgasm. If you are what you eat, then it is possible you can relate what you eat to your sexual abilities. Welcome to Eat Fit Therapy, a place where viewers are taught how to use everything nutrition as medicine to heal the body and solve most problems people are facing about nutrition, cooking, and eating food. Please, click on the subscription button and hit the bell icon to get a weekly notification for our new post. This video, and I, will be talking about diet for good sex. Every day, good nutrition is for good health. Yes, there are some foods you can eat that will make you hard for the guys and a faster orgasm for the females. Good food is the necessary spice for good sex. Keeping the heart healthy is very crucial in sexual health. This is because the better circulation of blood in the human body can lead to an improved sexual response in both men and women. A stronger and lasting erection depends on good blood flow to the penis, which can be improved by maintaining a healthy balanced diet, exercising, and reducing your alcohol intake. For females, eating more fruits and green leafy vegetables help get a faster orgasm. A good sex diet is full of the ingredients your body needs to make your sexual arousal system hot with fire. It also tastes fantastic, so you can enjoy the pleasure of eating too. This is not a grab-and-go or take-away diet, and there is almost no processed food in it at all. Focus on the natural color of your foods and you will be choosing the right food for your sex life too. Here are some suggestions: ingredients for good sex. Wide ranges of fruits and green leafy vegetables. Some fruits like banana, grapes, watermelon, apples, avocado. Whole grain slices of bread, high protein rice like basmati rice. Fresh yogurt, dark chocolate. For fruits and vegetables, it is a simple rule: no color, no eat. Eat real food, the fresher the better. These two things you should not eat. Too long leftover foods and in food kept in fridges loses its nutritional value. Alcohol. Red meats. Milky chocolate and processed foods. And last of all, too much of anything. In summary, anyone seeking the best food for sex should ensure they are eating a balanced heart-healthy diet. If it is good for the heart, it is good for sex life. Do not have sex when you feel dehydrated or hungry, else you won't enjoy it as you want. Drink enough water and eat well before having sex. Thank you. Please share, leave your comments and suggestions in the comment section below for discussions, and also don't forget to click the subscription button and hit the bell icon to get a weekly notification for our new post.